Alright guys, today I'm going to mix slime with the slime packet that my aunt gave me for Christmas. Wait, what you're going to need, I already made slime, but you need to put extra water if you want another one. Don't add too much, but I added too much. Okay, that's enough. And I dropped my scissors, so I'm going to put the packet in and shake it. And I'm going to pour in the powder. I'm sorry for the interruption, maybe I'll just play Fortnite. Okay, that should be it. Oopsies. Probably not good on here. Then you'll shake it up. For about a few minutes or seconds if you want. And sorry. Yeah, there we go. Sometimes it gets stuck on the bottom, so don't worry. Yeah. And here's your slime. I'm gonna try to look for something. There you go. I found the box. I can put my slime on top. I just need to move this. Like that upset. Sorry for the